Good morning. This morning I wanted to show you how I use Rodan+Fields Radiant Defense. And so I'll be putting on a base color, and then I'll do some contouring with a darker color and some highlighting. So first of all, Radiant Defense is a perfecting liquid, and it helps to repair the moisture barrier and defend the skin. And it's not makeup, it's tinted skincare. So it's actually good for your skin. So I don't have any makeup on right now. I did my whole skincare routine. That's really important if you want to have your skin prepped so the makeup looks good. So I'm going to start with the beige. And this color is good for almost everyone. If you want to see what color matches your skin, you can go to my site and upload your own selfie, and you can actually see what the shades look like on your skin. It has a little slider thing. It's pretty neat. So I just put some on the back of my hand. I'm gonna dab it on. And then they have this awesome brush that I think is really important to help it go on smoother. And this stuff is so light, you can't even really tell you're wearing anything. And it's also buildable, so if you need more coverage, you can put more on. Okay. So there's the base. So now, I'm just gonna put on some, it's called espresso, so it's a darker color. So I'm gonna just put it in here. I'm gonna blend it in. So it kind of creates this shadow here that makes your face look skinnier. I also have samples of this if anybody would like to try one. These are all the shades right here. Okay, so I'm going to put some on my chin, my jawline. Some on my nose. So I broke my nose last year. I'm going to try to make it look straight. That's a story for another day. So here, just gives you a nice bronzed look, and just contours your face really nice. Okay, so there's that part. Now I'm going to use the shell, which is the lightest color, to put under my eyes and just to highlight a few places on my face. On the center of my nose, on my chin. going to use this beauty blender to blend in the rest. So these little things are expensive, and when it gets really dirty and gross, I just cut off the part that I have used, and ta-da! Brand new blender. You're welcome. There, I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you have any questions, let me know. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.